Everyone, welcome back to Burkeshire Farm. My name's Frank. It's been a while. To bring you up to date a little bit, since the last time we posted any videos, we have, you can see in the intro that we finally got our countertops installed in the house. We've got window coverings to put on now. And things with the house they've been going good. But since then, here on the farm outside, we've built a 50-foot by 50-foot chicken run. And you can see we put some wheels on that hoop coop. It's 14 feet long, and we put some wheels on it and managed to push that hoop coop all the way from the very front yard, or from the front of the house, all the way to the back of the house, and all the way back over to this side where we put it inside the 50-foot chicken run. Come on, girls. We're down to 8. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we must have one. Yep, there she is back there. She's all the way back in the corner. You got some eggs back there? I'll bet you do. Yep, you got an egg back there. She's watching it. Okay. We also got another item here on the farm. Went out and purchased a Mahindra tractor, believe it or not. It was, you know, for the longest darn time, we just, with everything going on with the Barndominium, we just could not afford to get a tractor. And Mahindra came out with a 0 down, 0% interest. We basically got a tractor on a signature. We've also added another animal to our farm. Jackie and I took a road trip all the way out to, it was in Crockett. Went up to Crockett, Texas, and got us some piglets, some feeder pigs. We built another fenced-in area that's approximately 50 by 50. We did a training pen where we put electric wire. The first thing we tried to do is we went to Premier One and purchased, it was feral hog netting. And we did a video on it, putting this feral hog net up. It's 2 feet tall, 100-foot runs. We bought 4 of them. And it worked out pretty good. It's a nice fence, it really is. And believe me, you can train a domestic hog on electric fence pretty easy. The only problem is they claimed that it keeps feral hogs out, and that it does not. Anyway, we built a nice size area for the pigs. We keep it as clean as we can for them. They're doing well. These are Mangalista, Burkeshire. We're going to give them a try and go get some food here. And we're going to feed them out. We got them when they were 9 weeks old, and we're going to feed them out till anywhere around 5.5 months. They should be right in about 250 to maybe 270. I'm hoping for more like 275. Jackie and I also drove all the way up to Fayetteville, Texas, just a couple weeks ago, about a week ago, 1 week ago, and purchased a stock trailer. Jackie was talking to a friend that she had at work, one of her co-workers, and her co-worker put out the word, went all the way from Conroe, Texas into Fayetteville, where she has a brother-in-law that works on a cattle ranch, where they have literally tens of, I think he said about 22 or 23,000 head of cattle. And they not only sold us this stock trailer for an absolutely incredible deal, but then they proceeded to allow us to fill it with mineral tubs. Okay, I know that would be these over here, and they'll never be farm dogs. They won't.
Lots of mineral buckets.
And lids. And he gave them to us free of charge. We have probably got close to 150. I'm going to say they're probably 10, maybe 15 gallon.
I think about a 15 gallon.
15 gallon
buckets, yeah.
mineral buckets that we plan on planting in.
Yes.
And you'll see the back of the truck. The whole back of the truck is full of buckets, and underneath the buckets are more lids.
At first we weren't going to take the lids. We thought, well, what do we need the lids for? They're going to be garden buckets. You don't want to put a lid on top of a garden bucket. But then we got to thinking we're going to be drilling holes, and so what we're going to do is actually use these lids as the tray and put the buckets inside of it or on top of it, so that when we water it, the excess water will go on the outside instead of all over the patio or wherever we have them.
Yeah.
So the way we found these were, I have a co-worker whose brother-in-law is I think he's the head rancher. No.
Ranch hand.
He's the head ranch hand at this ranch, and we were asking for a stock trailer. She texted him. He said, I knew a neighbor who needed to get rid of one. We got that, and then when we went to go pick up the trailer, we saw these mineral buckets. Went back to work and asked my co-worker. He doesn't by any chance get rid of them. She texted him and said, yep, we got a couple hundred of them sitting in the back, and now we have them in our house.
And he also said that if we want more, come on back and get as many as you want.
Yep.
Incredible.
So this is our score, and it's going to be our next garden project.
Yes, our next garden project.
Yep.
All right. So we've done quite a few videos that what I've done, I've just taken some bits and pieces here and there of some of the videos that we've done and put this whole thing together just to, like I said, just to kind of bring everybody up to date where we're at. We did a video where we processed some of our roosters, and after talking about it, Jackie and I decided not to post that video. There's plenty of videos out there that are about processing chickens that if you want to learn how to do that, you can do that. But I do want to say this, and that is that my wife Jackie, she made me proud. She really did. She got in there, she did it. It was our very first time. We processed our 6 roosters and put them in freezer heaven, and we look forward to starting meat chickens and some chicken tractors. And so here we are today on our back porch, ready to wrap this video up. I think that's going to be about it for this video. I hope it brings everybody up, and you know, we just working full time, and both of us now we're getting things.
Figuring it out. We're figuring out how
figuring
the
it out.
schedule is going to be. We've got it pretty good as far as, you know, the morning routines, and it's just trying to get everything all worked out so we get everything done here on the farm, but yet still have to go to that grind of going to work, which hopefully one day that will end.
Figure out how to just get up and work instead of getting up and going to work.
That's right.
That's our goal. So thank you everyone for clicking on our channel and stopping by Burkeshire Farm. We appreciate it. We hope you hit the thumbs up. We're going to do our best to put a video out at least once a week. We're going to get back on it, and we've got lots of videos now that we're going to be doing on tractor projects and pig projects. By the way, our pigs now at this point will be going to the processor in about a little over 2 months, and that's what we got the stock trailer for. So we're ready for that, and that's about it.
Yeah, that sums up what a little bit that we've been doing, but we hope that you continue to journey along with us and enjoy our update of what's going on the farm here.
Thank you everybody, and God bless.
Have a blessed day.